Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, It's My Life Philippines. And I just want to discuss or talk about one of our subscriber, or it's our not subscriber. And he messaged to us that he want if we delete his face in the YouTube. But the problem only is it's not in our YouTube channel. And he always like repeating message to us in email or in Gmail that can you remove my face in the YouTube video, but it's not problem to us if we take video for from that guy, but don't have he used he seen his face in IRL. It's a YouTube channel that he also takes some video from walking street. But I want to say to that guy who messaged to us, or it's our subscriber not, can you please take a look first the channel that you saw your face there, because for us it's easy if you say to us that can you remove or can you blur my face in the video. Of course we can do it, but the problem only it's not our channel, it's another channel. Just only. Thank you.